Hi there! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to make a delicious, a little sweet breakfast dish. And it's my favorite kind of French toast. So why is French toast called French toast? So there's a legend about a man called Joseph French. Back in the day in 1724, he made himself French toast and his friends loved it. And when he put it out there in a recipe form, he forgot to put the apostrophe. So it was actually a grammatical error. He meant French made toast, but he forgot the apostrophe, so now we call it French toast. So shall we start making our kind of French toast? So I'm going to start by mixing all the ingredients together, and then I'm going to gently in a skillet add butter and kind of grill this lovely delicious soaking bread. So I'm going to add sugar into this bowl, salt, cinnamon, egg yolk, vanilla essence, and double cream. I'm going to mix all my ingredients gently and nicely. I'm going to start whisking it, and I'm going to whisk it at about medium speed. Up sare ingredients are well mixed, I'm going to add the milk. I'm going to start whisking it. So I just let my batter sit till the sugar melted, and all the sugar is well melted and my batter is perfectly ready. Time to get our pan ready. Let's start the fire. We'll keep it on medium heat. I'm going to add some butter into the pan and prepare the pan for my French lovely yummy toast. So I'm going to dip my slices of bread in the batter really quickly and put it in my pan, because if I keep the bread in the batter, chances are it's going to get really soft and squishy and might be difficult to take it out. So I'm going to flip my bread very carefully so I don't break it. And we're going to do this nice and easy there. So while the bread is getting golden, I'm just going to prepare my chopping board, which is wooden. I've just kept it clean so I can take the hot bread onto that. And I'm going to line it with a bit of paper to absorb the grease. And the last one. My French toast is ready, and I'm going to plate it so it looks beautiful and it tastes wonderful. My delicious French toast is ready, invented by Joseph French, as I told you earlier today. And I am so excited. I know you're going to love this breakfast recipe. Please try it and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed my French toast. Please do follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and on my YouTube channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. I will reply to you. I love receiving your feedback. Do hit the bell notification and you will have lots of new recipes coming your way. Stay fit, stay healthy, and stay really happy.